Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. This will contain with gruesome, disgusting, feel sickly kind of stuff that you don't like to watch this video, or just watching this for entertainment. So yeah, let's start this.
But then you've got to go.
Oh.
But then you've got to go.
Well, Mum, can I have that then? Head off. Decapitate it.
What's your bloody hat finger, boy? No.
There we go. I just need to simply push. Oops, I better clean this first.
You're too dangerous with that knife. You're going to end up fucking injuring yourself, I'm telling you now.
No. I need to never try the knife at home or anywhere else. This is contained for fun and funsies. And then I try with the sauce. From my dad, Jimmy. Oh dear. Okay, this is going to be disgusting, but
full of mustard.
Mustard? Nice. Mustard. Okay, let's get everything this on quickly. Come on. Okay, then come on with it. Let's have to get but have a tea. That's actually sounding a bit alright, but disgusting at the same time. Do not try this. This is really gross. I'm not actually doing that kind of stuff. So, actually, I'm going to leave this video, but because I'm full sick. I'm going to leave this. And I hope you guys subscribe and leave a like, and see you guys in the near future.
Yeah,